Hi, and a very warm welcome from us all here at Perrys Mansfield. I'm Mark Hayes. Today's walk around video is this wonderful Ford Cougar 2 litre diesel Titanium X Sports Utility Power Shift. It's 180 brake horsepower, intelligent all-wheel drive with full Ford service history and one owner from new. Beautiful car throughout. There's a nice view down the near side showing no scratches, scrapes, bumps, dents or marks. Privacy glass, parking sensors on the rear. On your roof you've got the aluminium roof bars which you can easily attach mountain bike racks, kayaking racks, extra luggage space, etc. So any of your favourite Ford accessories easily attached there. Easy to use, quick release bars. Inside got a full leather interior. There's been no smoking and no pets in this car. Isofix child seat anchor points there in the back, aiding in keeping babies, children and toddlers as safe as possible. Heated front seats and 12-volt power supply and USB connectivity. There's your power shift gearbox, which can be used in a semi-automatic mode just using the buttons there on the side. We've got push button stop start, information system, Bluetooth telephony and audio streaming, DAB radio and climate function control. Push button stop start and speed limiter and cruise control, menu function control, volume for both Bluetooth and your audio, and control for both Bluetooth and audio. Enhanced voice command, so you can command most of the features there just using your voice. Power to all four windows, electronic door mirror adjustment, fold away door mirrors, automatic lights, automatic rain sensing wipers and auto dimming rear view mirror. Finishes this car off wonderfully. Lovely ample boot, great family car. Not only that, been prepared to Ford standards, Ford safety checking and award-winning aftercare and customer service. Thanks very much for watching. See you soon. Bye.